everyone, Charlene here for Whimsy Stamps. I have a new product reveal for you today, the Paddy Shenanigans 4x6 clear stamp set. This set contains 2 character stamps, 1 small shamrock stamp, and 10 mix and match sentiment stamps. The character stamps are approximately 3 inches by 2.75 inches and 2.25 inches by 3.5 inches. The large Shenanigans sentiment stamp measures 0.75 by 1.5 inches. The 9 other sentiment stamps are small and can be easily mixed to create your own fun sentiment. Here you can see the detail on those really super cute leprechauns and then all of the fun sentiment possibilities that you can have. I went ahead and I made a slimline card with the set, incorporating a few other items from the new product release. All of the items I've used are going to be linked down below in the description. I hope you will join me over on the Whimsy Stamps Facebook inspiration group. You also can follow Whimsy Stamps on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Until next time, happy crafting!